Okay, we're going to have a demo for you today of a Brown & Sharpe surface grinder. This is a 6x12. This is their Master Series. It's a very nice machine, very solid and substantial casting here. We've got fine feed graduation on both the down feed, the vertical, and the cross feed. The table drive is with a cable underneath there and ball bearings, so we have a very nice feel to this. You have a Walker Ceramax permanent magnetic chuck on here, a 7-inch diameter grinding wheel. Also, if you have the disconnected here with this hand wheel pulled out and this knob pulled out, it allows you to have a wrap it up and a wrap it down. Let me get out of the way. And like all Brown & Sharpes, it's got a nice brake on there, so as soon as you take your finger off that button, it stops moving instantly, which is a nice feature. Of course, when you push this in, then you have your irregular down feed. Got to get it all the way in. And then when you want to use your graduated thing, then you tighten this up, and now you can feed with your fine feed knob. And this one pretty much works the same way. Also on the side over here we have a clamp in case you're doing some kind of a grooving or slot grinding, so you can clamp the table into a locked position. There's a one-shot type of hand lubrication pump mounted over here on the side. Electrical cabinet is conveniently mounted in the back of the machine, and this thing is currently wired for 220 volts. It's a dry machine, so it doesn't have any coolant, but you could certainly put some splash guards around it and purchase an additional coolant tank for it. But there you go, that's the Brown & Sharpe 612 Master. Ready for you to come see. Thank you.